Good day, good day, good day, my people. Thank you for coming to my channel. Thank you for supporting my channel. I have a lot of recipes coming your way, a lot of good things coming your way. Please do not forget to subscribe below. Also share and like, and of course that bell button that is going to let you know right away as soon as I upload a video, which I will be doing twice a week on Fridays and Sunday. Okay, so let's get started. I'm very excited about my recipes, and I'm very excited of sharing what my family been eating for years with yours. Thank you. Okay guys, so today we are making potato salad. Again, this is what the potato salad I grew up with in my family, but there are numerous potato salad recipes, and I have tasted plenty which are wonderful. But I'm doing what I grew up with in my family. So I have here two small, two large, small baking potatoes. So I'm about to peel them. Now I'm gonna dice these potatoes. I don't like cutting them too small or too big. Just a bite size like this. Okay. Again, you cut it the size that you want them to be. It's no right and wrong. Okay, so here goes. Oh, I forgot one potato. My mind is working faster than my body, I guess, my hands. But we got you, we got you. Now, to put this to boil, I always add some garlic powder. Again, I cover the top. It doesn't have any salt. Onion powder. The reason I add onion powder to mine is because for the rest of my family, I add the red onions. But I'm allergic to raw onions, so I can't eat raw onions. So you'll see toward the end, I add some raw onions to it. I take out my portion, and then I add the raw onion to for the rest of the family. And a little bit of salt, very little, right? Now I'm gonna put water in here, water in the potatoes, and I'm just gonna put it on my stove on medium fire and let it cook until it's tender. Okay guys, we are going to continue with our potato salad. Here are my potatoes already boiled and cooked and cold. I also boiled 2 eggs, which I already peeled, right? And the start of this salad is going to be this beautiful apple. Believe it or not. This is the start of this salad. Okay? So, I'm going to start by chopping up the eggs. Look how beautiful those eggs are without no brown line. One of my videos, I will show you how to cook the perfect boiled egg. For the amount of potatoes I had, 2 eggs is more than enough. I will pour these down. Okay. I'm gonna rinse out my knife and my board. And like I said, we're about to go to the start of the salad, which is this apple. I always look for the most beautiful red apple with that vibrant colored. Okay. And you cut the pieces as you like. I like them about this size. I'm gonna put them in this small bowl because you don't want them turning brown on your salad, anything. So we are going to put some lemon juice. I always like to roll my lemons and give it a little warm. My lemon juicer, I like to do this. Pick up all my seeds out of there. I got this, I think, at Joann. I love it. I would use it all the time. But see, we got some fresh juice real quick. And we're just gonna toss it in the apple. And stir them. Make sure they get all that lemon juice on it. I should have put it in a bigger bowl, but I don't know. We just do stuff, right? See? And I'm just gonna toss them in there. Okay? The next step that I do is oregano. Again, I do 1 pinch of oregano, just like that. Just like that. And I do this. Trust me, that pinch of oregano goes a very long way. And it gives it such a unique taste. I come and I add a little bit of black pepper. Not too much. I try to ground it in the fine setting. Okay. Then the next thing I do, I add a little bit of mustard. I don't like much, but I add enough, as you can see, like that. Where is my sweet radish? Give me a second. So here I got some sweet radish that I'm gonna add. I'm gonna use about half of this for this size of salad. Right? And my mayo, I like the one with avocado oil or even vegan. If you're vegan, you could use a vegan one. As I said earlier, I'm allergic to raw onions, so I don't add it at this moment. And now gently, I go from the bottom up. And I'll boil I think I'm gonna add a little bit more of oregano. Before I add anything, I like blending to see if I need to add, what I need to add a little bit of, you know. Yeah, I'm gonna add just a little bit more oregano. Sometimes I even add dill to my potato salad, but I'm not using dill today. I don't have the taste for it. I add a little touch more of this mustard and a little bit touch more of the mayo, right? So at this point, I grab this bowl. This is my portion. And I take out my portion without any onions. So this is gonna be my potato salad without the onions. So this is what I do. I know I'm allergic to it, but I'm not gonna deprive my family of what they like. So I made everything else. I added everything else. I took out mine without the onions, and now I'm about to cut a little piece of onions and add it to the rest of it for the rest of my family. Ugh. Okay, I always got a little bowl or something. Let me remove these 1 second. Again, you could add red onions. Some people say they like red onion, it's less strong. Or you could just, I'm using a regular white onion. But I don't put much, about that much. I'm about to. And I chopped it as fine as I can. I'm gonna do it like that. Chop it a little bit more this way. I mean, I chop it as fine as I can. As fine as I can. That little piece goes a very long way, I promise you. Especially if you're chopping it this fine. Very fine. Okay. It's looking like that, very, very fine. Now I'm gonna add it to the salad. Try to sprinkle as even as I can. So that don't be, right? And then I do this. And then my final touch that I like to do is sprinkle a little bit of paprika. You know, you put it in the bowl that you want to put it in. Then I sprinkle paprika and some parsley on it. Give it that beautiful look. And you dress it up however you want. Okay, and that's a potato salad. Let me look for the lid. And then I put it in the refrigerator so it could get cold and ready to eat as soon as we are ready to eat. Let me put a little bit of mine too. Again, the only thing that my salad is missing is the onions because I'm allergic to raw onions. So, but I'm not depriving myself with nothing else. Okay, guys? Look how beautiful that is. Okay.